I thought about maybe doing a simulation. I could do a jump if you guys are up for it. Sometimes it's helpful to do a simulation and then pause and then talk about what's going on, and you know, sort of decision-making process can unfold. Okay, so now Vitaly, remind me where you were learning.
The ranch. Skydive the ranch.
Okay, we got this. We got the ranch. All right, so we're gonna have, I'm gonna have you open at a similar altitude to AFF, maybe 4,500 feet is when you're actually open. And I don't normally do this, but we'll do the simulation starting from the airplane. Why not? Exiting at about 13.5. And let's set the winds. So what direction was, so can you see the airport here? Maybe we can simulate the same conditions that you had on your first jump.
Yeah, I see the airport. I don't remember where we exited though.
Well, what direction did you land?
I was doing towards the pond, I think.
Towards the pond, okay. Okay. And do a little bit of wind where you're opening up over here. Okay. Yeah, I don't normally do simulations with where you exit the airplane, but I figure why the hell not? It's kind of fun. All right. So we're sitting in the airplane, getting ready to jump. We're out. Arch. All right. Heading. Altimeter. Jump master. Legs out. Okay. Jump master. He says, relax. So you relax. Yeah. And then he says, stick your feet out. Okay. Now practice pull. Look, reach, pull.
Three touches.
Reach, touch. And reach, touch. Heading. Altimeter 77. Jump master. Okay. Jump master. Okay. Heading. Altimeter. Altimeter. Wave off. And pull. All right. Canopy opens. Looking up. Looks okay. Grabbing the brake on each side. Releasing the brakes. And flare. Altimeter. Does the canopy look good? Yes. Does it turn right? Yes. Does it turn left? Yes. Okay. Altimeter. 3,800 feet. Where's the drop zone? There it is. Okay, so right now I'm just going to hang out for a moment where I am, because this is a pretty good place to be. I can see canopies down below me. Is there any canopy traffic up here? I don't see any canopy traffic. All right. So right now I'm going to take a deep breath. I'm going to look forward. I'm going to add some brakes and slow down. Wind noise gets quieter. If I look down, I notice that I'm kind of sliding to my right a little bit. Altimeter says 33. I'm feeling better now. Now that I took a deep breath, I'm going to turn into the wind. Looking forward. All right, so now if I can maybe try to find where I would land if I didn't turn. So it looks like I'm flying kind of towards the road. If I look long enough, I can see the changes. So that's going to help me determine my glide ratio. Now I also can cheat and go like that. See the green dot? That's actually where I would land if I didn't turn my canopy. I can cheat and turn on that dot, and that shows me where I really am. I'm facing straight into the wind. Now if I turn 90 degrees to the wind line, Can you see where I'm pointed, right? Canopy is pointed this direction. And then I look straight down. I'm actually sliding to my left a little bit. So it tells me that the wind is from my right side. At 2,000 feet, I think it's wise to turn and go back home. Now, where would I land now if I didn't turn the parachute? I would land near the river. See that? I'm going to land near the river if I don't turn, which means I'm going to pass to overshoot. That's great. That means that I'm going to be able to fly a pattern and make it back with enough altitude to spare. But if I wanted to extend, if I wanted to go further and come back with more altitude, I can apply brakes. And holding brakes in a run extends your glide ratio a lot. See that? I'm going to land way past the river, way past Yogi Bear's campground. I don't know if you've ever stayed there. It's very nice. So right now, I'm going to keep myself upwind of the target, 1,300 feet. Probably a good idea to go maybe across the wind line, maybe up the wind line for a moment. And about 900 feet, I'm going to start my downwind leg. I don't want to go past the target until I'm lower. Then I'm going to fly a right-hand traffic pattern because if I flew a left pattern, I'd go over the runway too low. Joey Richards is going to come out and yell at me. So downwind leg. So I'm looking down to my right at the target, looking for traffic. At this point, I'm going to let it go a little further because I have to pass that target. And I'm just going to gently turn, 400 feet. As long as I'm on final by 200, it's okay. And I'm just going to gently turn myself towards the target. Looking good, looking forward. It's together, tension on the brake lines, flare.
Oh, that is nice.
That'll do, right? 6
Yeah.
from the target. Show flight path, zoom. I've done this before. Actually, I don't think I've done a simulation where I did a right-hand traffic pattern with it wind from the pond before. Now you can see I made a little bit of a correction, right? On the downwind leg, I didn't have as much altitude as I wanted at this location. So I just made my turn to base, but then I turned away a little bit. See that? Where I got a little greater distance so that I could hit the target. If this path continued, I would have overshot the target. There it is, right?
What if this was the best jump of your life?
Or I can see tears. I see a choice, love or fear. What do you choose? I can see peace, or I can see war. I can see sunshine, or I can see a storm. What do you choose? No, I choose to love where freedom flies from my heart, where the light keeps shining. And I choose to feel the whole world crying for the strength that we can rise above. I choose love. I choose love. can see greed, I can see caring, or poverty. So what do you choose? I can see gardens, or I can see bombs. I can see life or death coming on strong. So what do you choose? Now I choose to love with freedom flying from my heart where the light keeps shining. And I choose to feel the whole world crying for the strength that we can rise above. I choose love. I choose love.
With the power of science? Oh my god.
Bye.